Hello friends, in previous video we had learned about first equation of motion. In today's video we will discuss second equation of motion. Second equation of motion also known as position time relation. In velocity time graph you can observe that u is the object initial velocity and v is the final velocity. A be the acceleration produced in the body. The area enclosed by velocity time graph. Here OA equals to u equals to initial velocity. BC equals to V equals to final velocity. OC is the time. OC equals to T equals to time taken. Let the acceleration of the body changes at a uniform rate and it covers a displacement of S in time T. From the graph, displacement equals to area under graph AB. So displacement equals to area of trapezium OABC. We will be finding whole area of the trapezium by first adding the area of triangle and finding the area of rectangle. Area of triangle ABD and area of rectangle OADC. Then adding up these both areas, we know the formula for area of triangle as well as for the area of rectangle. Area of triangle is given by half into base into height. And area of rectangle we already know that is length into breadth. So here displacement equals to half into base into height plus length into breadth. S equals to half into, here base is AD and height is BD plus length area of rectangle equals to length into breadth. So here length is OC and breadth is OA. S equals to half into AD into, now this BD here is given by BC minus DC. We will subtract this plus OC into OA. S equals to half into T. AD is time, because here you can see that AD is parallel to OC. So if OC is time, then AD is also time. So S equals to half into T into BC is V and DC U plus T into U. S equals to half into V minus U into T plus UT. This is the first equation. Here we already know the first equation of motion, that is V equals to U plus AT. So V minus U equals to AT. This is the second equation. Now on substituting this equation 2 in equation 1, we will have S equals to half into V minus U into T plus UT. We already know that V minus U equals to AT. So in the place of V minus U, we take AT. S equals to half into AT into T plus UT. S equals to half into AT square plus UT. Now rearranging the terms, we get S equals to UT plus half into AT square. So this is the second equation of motion.